Welcome to IELTS practice exam. My name is TALHA YASEEN. I'm your IELTS practice examiner. Let's start today's IELTS practice exam. What's your full name?
My full name is Ghazi Ahmed Abbas.
See, how may I address you?
You may address me as Ahmed.
Okay, Ahmed. Where do you come from?
Sir, I come from Layya.
Describe your hometown a little bit.
Sir, Layya is situated in the south of the Punjab, and it is a very little district in the Punjab. The everything in the Layya to eat is pure, such as desi ghee, honey, and the literacy rate of Layya is very high as compared to other districts.
We are in IELTS speaking part 1. In this part, I'll ask you a few questions about yourself and you have to answer. How often do you listen to music?
Sir, I frequently listen to the music when I am driving my car from my workplace to home. I prefer to turn on my music, and but when I am alone at my home, I also prefer to listen music at night before I sleep.
Okay. Is music an important subject in schools in your country?
Not really. I didn't think that music is a subject taught in my schools in my country, because as you know that our country Pakistan is an Islamic country, so music is not taught in schools.
Did you ever go to live concerts?
Yes, sir. Once I have been in a concert that happened in my university in Faisalabad. It was the only time when I was in concert. It was the concert of our famous singer, Pakistani singer Sahir Ali Baka.
Okay. Do you prefer to read magazine or newspapers?
Uh, I prefer to read magazines and newspapers, but e-magazines and e-newspapers, because they are readily available as compared to carry the magazines in my hand.
Okay. Do you think you can learn as much from a magazine as TV?
Uh, no, sir. When I want to take some more information, I prefer to read books. As you know, that magazines are shortest version of the books, and the information as compared to magazines are short. There is more information in the books.
Do you think that you will continue to read paper-based magazine in future?
No, sir, I don't really think that, because I read e-newspapers from my phone and computer. They are readily available. It is a quick source and don't need to carry a newspaper with me.
Okay. Do you like being outdoors?
Yes, I love to being outdoor. I am an outdoor person. I really want to spend my time with my friends and my family in some restaurants and cafes. This is a pleasure for me, and I love to spend my time with them.
Okay. Which outdoor sports do you enjoy?
So there are many sports, outdoor sports in played in my country, Pakistan. For example, cricket and badminton. Cricket is most played sports in my country, as you often see kids playing cricket in the streets and playgrounds.
Okay. Which outdoor activities are most popular in your country?
Sir, there are many outdoor sports like cricket, badminton, and in some places of Pakistan, volleyball is also played. People love to play in their free time and enjoy themselves by playing these games.
This is the end of IELTS speaking part 1. Now we are in IELTS speaking part 2. In this part, I'll give you a cue card, I'll give you a topic. You have 1 minute to prepare. You can take notes if you want. Then you have to speak on it for 2 minutes. This is your cue card. This is the pen. And your topic is describe your favorite actor or actress.
Thank you, sir, for giving me the opportunity to talk about this at this interesting topic. There are many actors and actresses in the film industry, but one of my favorite actor is Leonardo DiCaprio. He is a world-class, famous Hollywood actor and known by his powerful performance and versatile personality. Leonardo is a film actor and he played a wide range of roles in romantic leads and intense dramatic characters. He gives his 100% for his every role. There are many movies the Ronaldo acted. The movies are The Revenant, Inception, and The Wolf in the Wall Street. One of his movie for the Revenant, he won the Oscar award after nominating many times. What I really admire about Leonardo is not just his acting, his passion for his agriculture, environmental causes. He used his fame to raise the awareness about the climate change and the more environmental causes like global warming, etc. These are the reasons I love Leonardo DiCaprio.
Let's move on to the part 3 of IELTS speaking practice test, and that is follow-up questions. What are the most popular type of movies in your country?
So there are many movies which watched by different peoples in my country. Different people watch different movies, like some watch comedy movies, some watch horror movies. There is versatility in every person's to watch different movies.
Okay. Do you think that going to cinema will be as popular in the future?
No, sir. I don't think that going to cinema is as much popular in the future because people want comfort and watch movies in their homes, like in different streamlines, like Netflix and Prime Videos, etc.
Do you think theater should be run as a business or public service?
It is 50-50. Theater, the owner of the theater has mindset to run his business for his money and some other aspects, and theater is also a source of entertainment. There is less entertainment in our country, so theater is run as a business or as a public service.
How strong is the tradition today in your country to go to theater?
Yes, sir, there are very less sorts of entertainment in our country. People used to go to cinema and they are going to enjoy themselves with their families and friends to watch movies.
Okay. Why entertainment is important for a person?
Entertainment is important for a person for his healthy life, for his strong mind. It's a good way to spend leisure time.
Okay, that's the end of IELTS speaking practice exam.